My technology is called Chatzy. It's a free online chat room found at chatzy.com. It's easy to sign up or log in. All you do is give them your email address, and then since I've already signed up, I just hit I'm a registered user, and then when you first sign up, they'll send you a password to log in with. Once you are in, you have the choice between a quick chat, which is just the simple chat room, or you can create a virtual room, which has more options such as permissions and password control and customized settings. To start a quick chat, you just hit the Start Quick Chat button. You'll have your name at the top because you're in charge of it. Then you can have the title of your page. You can then invite others to be a part of it, and then it'll send them the link and this message to tell them to go to this page. Once you are in, you have the option to change your preferences. You can leave the room. You can see the room actions. You can see the visitor list of who has been participating. And you can even have the review mode to see what has been typed or erased so you can monitor at all times. I think it can be great for creating ideas or working together and also discussing information. One of my examples was to maybe have book discussions. You can have different book groups and they can get on and discuss what they have been reading about. I think it can have a great impact on learning as it is helpful and informative and can even provide assessment for the teacher. It is user-friendly. It is so easy to use once you are in, and it can be useful outside of class, I think, with homework and with discussions, and it can be a great way to enhance your learning.